Hello students, our today's topic is taxes on accounts receivable and accounts payable. What is the business scenario for taxes? The accounting manager wants to set up the taxes on sales and purchases or the company's customers and vendors and wants to know if country templates for local tax requirement exist into SAP system. For that, first procedure is check calculation procedure. Calculation procedures containing the necessary specification for the calculation and posting of taxes on sales or purchases have already been defined in the standard SAP system for creation countries. Every calculation procedure groups several tax types together into a condition type, for example, output tax or input tax, in the calculation procedure and determines calculation rules for it. The calculation procedure determines for which amount the individual condition types are to be calculated. This can be the base amount, that means total of the expense item and the revenue items, or a subtotal. The entry in a column from level determines for which amount tax is calculated. For that, we can use transaction code OBYZ or by path SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting Global Setting, Tax on Sales and Purchases, Basic Settings, Check Calculation Procedure. SAP सिस्टम में देखते हैं हम कैलकुलेशन प्रोसीजर SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting Global Settings, Taxes on Sales or Purchases, Basic Settings, and Check Calculation Procedure. Now click on Define Procedures. Now we will check the procedure for GB. Tax, GB, sales tax for GB. Okay. Select it and डबल क्लिक ऑन कंट्रोल डेटा. तो यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी हमारे टैक्स प्रोसीजर डिफाइन किए हुए हैं, जहाँ पर आप देखेंगे बेस अमाउंट दिया है, आउटपुट इनपुट टैक्स दिया है, नॉन डिडक्ट इनपुट टैक्स एंड नॉन डिडक्ट इनपुट टैक्स, acquisition tax credit and acquisition tax debit, and for that condition types accounting keys also link up. Then come back